Hello, I'm reviewing today this free sample by HALEYS. So it is 5 useful tools to put on your makeup. This is great if you want to replace the brushes that you have, or if you want to use them for traveling. This is great. They fit in a case. So this is for your foundation. This is for your powder. So as you can see here, very fluffy. Good to put the powder around. This is for your eyelid, this part of your eyelid, concealer. And this is good for your lid. So these two are for the eyelid. I like them. I like the quality. I like that it's a set and everything matches. And this is great if I want to take a plane and put some makeup while I travel. Hope you enjoy them. Check them out. They're great. Thank you for watching.